How to set up a subscription system in your Discord server using Whop in 2026. In this video, I'm going to be telling you about how you can set up a subscription system using Whop. First of all, open Google Chrome or any browser you like, then just type in whop.com. Once you are onto the Whop dashboard, you have to log in from your Discord ID so that your Discord ID would be integrated with the Whop store. Now you have to create a new business. Just click on new business, click on continue, click on paid group, click on social media, select your country, enter your business name, and then voila, your business has been created. I've made a business just for this tutorial. As you can see, click on your business name and your Discord will come here. So just click on App Store, search for Discord here, click on add and click on continue with Discord. Once you do this, your Discord would be integrated with your Whop's dashboard. Once you are here, just click on products and click on create products to start listing your products. Just enter your product's name, your product's headline, description. If you want to add photos or videos, anything, you can add them. Enter the price you want to sell your product and then just save your product. Once you do this, your product will be listed on Whop's dashboard and your Discord members could actually purchase your product as well, and everything would be monitored on the Whop's dashboard. This was it for today's video. If this guide was helpful for you, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, make sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.